Alright, hello everyone, welcome to another video, and in today's video I'm simply going to teach you how you can go ahead and benchmark your GPU on Windows. So this video is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video till the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all you want to do is simply go ahead and download a software that is going to help you benchmark. I'm going to show you a couple of these. So there are a few softwares that are really famous right now, and those are 3D Mark, MSI Afterburner, and Cinebench. In today's video we are simply going to use 3D Mark. All you're going to do is simply click on Windows Edition on their website and just simply go ahead and download their free version. Alright, now once you have downloaded your 3D Mark, go ahead and install it. So finally, once you have launched 3D Mark, simply go ahead and click on Benchmarks, and once you have done that, simply click on GPU. And now it's gonna go ahead and show you the tests that you can simply go ahead and do for your GPU. So for me it is right over here. All you have to do is simply click on run, and it's gonna go ahead and benchmark your GPU for you. So it is as simple as that. So as you can see, it's gonna go ahead and start doing multiple graphics tests. So finally, once you have done all of that, as you can see, it's gonna go ahead and show you your results. So it is as simple as that. If you thought this video was helpful, feel free to comment down below any other queries you might have, and if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you so much for watching.